This is Jacqueline Villeda, and I welcome you to Coaching Pros. And we're going to be talking about workshop number 1, Introduction and Understanding an Auto Policy. What is a personal injury attorney? A personal injury attorney is one who provides legal representation to those who claim to have been injured physically or psychologically as a result of the negligence or wrongdoing of another person, company, government agency, or other entity. What is a case manager? A case manager is the person who assists the attorney and is given the responsibility to handle the case file from intake to demand. What are the responsibilities of the case manager? Meet with clients to interview them and complete an intake. Take all the information available regarding the accident. Take pictures of the property damage. Obtain injury photos. Assign doctors. Take care of the total loss or repairs and payments of their vehicles, if any. Increase the value of their case by monitoring treatment and by following up with medical needs, by referring them to specialist doctors, etc. Guide clients through the entire process of the claim. Make them feel you are in control of their situation and they are well taken care of. Submit information to insurance carriers. This will include all requests for payments such as MedPay to your client's carrier if they have that coverage, loss of use, tow truck expenses, storage fees, child car seats, etc. Collect medical reports, records, chart notes, SOAP notes, and bills. Auto policy coverages. Auto: bodily injury, occupant bodily injury, property damage, uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist, comprehensive and collision coverage, medical payment coverage, uninsured collision, rental coverage, umbrella coverage, usually with primary carrier but not always, homeowners insurance, check for exclusions, motorcycle, no medical payment coverage, commercial vehicles, subject to state regulation. If involved in an injury, they have to be tested for drugs, alcohol, minimum 24 hours. B, policy limit minimum is $750,000 or $1 million. Interesting. Most common exclusions. A, lapse of coverage for non-payment of premium. B, excluded driver, usually due to bad driving record. All insurance brokers should be insured. Why? Where there is a gap in coverage, the insured may have claims against its insurance broker and agents. All insurance companies are also insured by Cigna. What is a policy coverage waiver? A waiver is an option of declining to buy certain type of coverage that is offered in your policy. When you buy an auto policy and you decide not to buy certain coverage, for example, MedPay, collision, comprehensive, etc., a waiver should be signed. This is usually done with your agent or broker. When you need to use your client's uninsured motorist coverage and your client does not have one in their policy, you should always request a copy just to make sure. If your client did not sign a waiver for the insurance company has to make coverage valid. Reading an auto policy. When going after your client's policy, number 1, what covers your client's policy? Who is covered under the same policy? Number 2, what part of your client's policy will apply if you are not at fault for the accident? Only part of your policy that will apply if you are going after the adverse party insurance is A, MedPay for you and your passengers, if any. B, UM, only if the adverse party's insurance policy limit does not have enough to cover all your damages and the limit is lower than yours. Example, if you have a minimal policy of $1530 and the adverse party has some coverage, $1530 will not apply. If you have 2550 and the adverse party has 1530, it will apply. Applicable in California only.